In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly view product quantity in WooCommerce so you can track your stock levels right from your dashboard. This is one of the simplest ways to monitor inventory without opening each product manually. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Products in the left sidebar. Select all products and you'll see a table showing your product list. By default, the stock quantity may not be visible. So now we'll enable it. Look toward the top right corner and click on Screen Options. A panel will appear with several checkboxes that control which columns are displayed. Find the checkbox labeled Stock and simply turn it on. The moment you check this box, your product table updates instantly. You'll now see a stock column showing the exact quantity available for every product in your store. This gives you a clear instant overview of your inventory without clicking into individual product pages. It's a simple change that makes day-to-day inventory management much easier and helps you stay ahead of low stock items before customers run into an out-of-stock situation. And that's all you need to do. A quick toggle and you have full visibility over your WooCommerce stock levels. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips and e-commerce guides.